video, we talked about bed bugs, how to identify them, their biology and behavior. And in this video, we're going to talk about management and preventing bringing bed bugs into your home. So you know that we do not want bed bugs. So it is something that we want to work on preventing, because once they're in your home, they're really hard to manage. If you do find out you do have a bed bug infestation, you'll want to make sure for sure that it is bed bugs. Once you've determined that, you can call a professional pest management company and they will propose or give you a quote on what they can do for you. If you have questions about that, please feel free to call your local extension office. They will likely want to treat with an insecticide, or they can do this with heat. We can also do some management ourselves using heat by using our hot clothes dryer. Now this is for things like bedding, clothing, anything that can be safely put in a dryer without destroying. And I would definitely recommend using your clothes dryer when you bring home any clothes from a hotel or a trip or a cabin, or when your students come home from college. Put the things in the hot dryer for 20 to 30 minutes on high heat, and that would kill all life stages of bed bugs. Check the lint catcher to make sure you don't have any bugs, and then after that you can either safely wash and dry or put your clothes away, or even put them in the hamper. You just don't want to bring home anything in the clothes that will walk off and start causing a possible infestation in your home. One thing to consider is used furniture. I would definitely bypass those free mattresses that you may see on the side of the road. And if you're buying anything that is used, make sure to inspect it. If you're bringing home any used clothing, make sure to put that in the dryer. And you just want to make sure that it is bed bug free. We get many infestations that come from someone who had an infestation and put it out at a dumpster, and someone else bringing it in to maybe the same apartment. Because the bed bugs do not live on the people, and they actually are harboring or living in areas close to where the hosts rest. So anything that could be bedroom furniture may actually have bed bugs already in it when you bring it home. Another consideration is when you travel. Many times we carry bed bugs into places that we're staying, and other people may bring them home. Other times we may work in a profession that goes into different homes where people sleep, and that makes that a high-risk profession for possible bed bug infestations. This could be home health care, could be social work. Even the library may have bed bugs dropped off in the drop box with books because those books had been in someone's bedroom. What you can do there are bag small items and put those in the freezer for about 4 days. That will kill bed bugs. Otherwise, you want to do a close inspection, look through there for the signs of bed bugs, and either clean them up, vacuum them off. You can even use a lint roller to inspect furniture and upholstered furniture for signs of bed bugs. Some people ask about those mattress encasements. Mattress encasements are good to cover the bed in a light colored fabric that have less seams, so it decreases the amount of hiding places, and it will alert you quicker to if you have a bed bug infestation. They are, however, not a silver bullet. It doesn't mean you won't get bed bugs. So one thing you can do if you don't want to spend the money on encasements, or change your sheet colors to a lighter color, a white, so that you will be able to see bugs or any of those marks really quick. You can also get something called bed bug interceptors, which are essentially pitfall traps or a little container that goes under the legs of furniture to trap any bed bugs that may be crawling onto the furniture. And that's something that is a monitor, so it will keep the bed bugs off the bed, and it also will alert you if you have an infestation nearby. Some people ask what they should do when they go to a hotel or somewhere they're staying for a while, because people are afraid that they'll bring home bed bugs. What you can do is do a quick inspection of that area and focus on where the bed is and where you'll be sleeping. Look in the corners of the ceilings, look at the curtains, look at the bed skirt, all those places that usually don't get touched when housekeeping comes in. If you can stick a card or like a credit card into those cracks, that's big enough for a bed bug. So look for that. Go to the box spring, pull back the sheets a little bit, and look for those dark stains or any bed bugs. Once you're clear, you can put things on a well-lit flat surface like the closet or in the bathroom where you know that bugs are not crawling in. One thing I do want to say is don't pile up your dirty laundry. There have been studies that show that bed bugs are more attracted to the human scent of dirty clothes than clean clothes, and so you want to take your dirty laundry and put that back in a bag in your luggage so bed bugs aren't going to crawl in there and you won't take them home. Again, when you get home, you want to go through your things to make sure you're not introducing any bugs into your home. You want to make sure when you come home from those trips and you bring your luggage back that you don't store your luggage directly under the bed, because if you did bring home any hitchhikers from your trip, you're giving them a brand new home with a new host that they can feed on at night. I hope that you've learned some things about bed bug management and prevention, because this is definitely not a bug you want in your home.